What a night been so far, yo. Been a dope night. Just caught up with one of my long lost cousins. Ain't seen this girl in who God knows how long. So good to catch up. All right, let's dive in because we already an hour behind. Okay, so welcome to the Junkyard. Y'all already know what it is. I am Combo Junkie, and this is another episode of Coding with Combo. I will be honest, tonight is going to be a little different, okay? We are about to go on a journey, okay? We're about to go on a little journey, and we are creating a sort of course, right? It's a course that's coming up in the next few weeks, and it's going to all be recorded, so people that don't catch the stream, they can still see it. But that's what we're going to be spending our time on the streams doing. Instead of dedicating time to building out that website, we are going to dedicate our energy on these streams to completing this sort of curriculum, this course. The course will be absolutely publicly available, free of charge. Anybody who wants to take advantage of it. And hopefully after you do the course, you'll understand things like ES 6, 7, and 8. You'll understand Typescript. You'll understand all sorts of cool tools, bells, whistles, etc. So, that being said, let's dive into the work here. So, have some things we have to do. Go here to the eyed. All right, let me get that a little bigger. But hold on, I'm gonna keep that small actually. I need to do some copy pasting. So what I want to do, so right now I got all of my challenges that I took out. I pulled them out and put them over here. I want to put these into a general ES6.md file. This is gonna be like our challenge list. And basically I want to populate this with a bunch of challenges so that after people do this course, like this like chapter of the course, they can go through and take these challenges throughout that week, and then, you know, during the streams they'll come on stream and tell us how they did the challenges, or they'll ask questions about the challenges. So it'll be quite a few here to do. I'm thinking since each stream is 3 hours long, and since I got all the answers, I will probably just go through the challenges myself on stream. But even if I don't, I will actually record content that shows me solving each of these challenges. I think that's going to be a really fun thing to do as well. So, all right, so this one here, create a module named math utils and export blah, blah, blah. Do the requirements. I'm eventually going to move all of this to the main README, but for now, I'm going to move it all here eventually. Alright, and then what we'll also say is, let's add a challenges. We'll say lesson challenges, and then this is where we're gonna add. This is where we're gonna add all of our stuff, and then we'll leave the documentation here, and we won't leave this here. Actually, yeah, I'll leave that there. Yeah. So, and then I'll just add. This will be the pocket for our lessons. Challenges. All right, so this is the math utility module, which I've already solved. So this is gonna go into our answers directory. There's gonna be a folder here called math utility, and then in here there's gonna be two files. One is gonna be called math utils.js, and another is gonna be called main.js. Okay. Now, this in our math exporting a bunch of stuff, and in our in.js we actually import and then leverage what we exported there. Alright, so then now if I go to run this, I should see those answers. Nope. Have some oh yeah, because this is a module type, right? So we need type of moduling. Have type. type in here. Oh, I'm in the wrong file. That needs to go in package.json. I don't know if I want to do that. I think it goes here. I don't know if that's going to blow anything else up. I'll have to test that. Oh no, not this file. I got a sneaky suspicion that that's gonna break something. At least it worked for this. Let's test the other methods. All right, maybe it did. Yeah, no, we're still good. All right. All right, so that's math challenge. This is the class-based car inventory. So what do they want to do? Create a class called car that represents car object with properties like make, model, whatever. Implement methods to. Okay, cool. Pretty simple. All right. Yep, and then now inside of our challenge. A lot of challenges for just one week. I don't know if I should be doing this many challenges. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this many. I think I'm just gonna stop at math actually. Because what I like about math is it actually does incorporate a really cool feature, which is the class inheritance. You know what? And I'm gonna do this last one too, the copy machine, because the copy machine does a lot of rest and spreading. So I'll do copy machine, and that'll be the last one though. That here, so that'll be number 6, right? Let me. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, 6. Challenge. Get a function. All right, and then. Way too many quizzes for this. I don't think I did any TS quiz challenges, I mean. But I guess the challenge for TS is do these in TS. Like give these files a .ts extension and see if you can still pull them off. Like that's actually a cool test. Let's see if this. Oh, and just to be clear, right? Oh yeah, we're only copying the copy array, not the original array. So maybe what we should do here, just for clarity's sake, right, is copy the original array and the copy array. So that they see duplicates. No object, copy object. So now it should be do. Yeah, there we go. And then what I also want to do is I want to say, like that, right? So let me see if that worked. Yeah, that works. That's copy. Now it should be really clear that we have some it's in here, right? Original array 1, 2, 3, copy array 1, 2, 3, original object, John, age 30, Copy object John is 30. All right. So that looks good. And now I'm going to get out of here now. I'm going to say that we are officially done with week 1. We'll move on to week 2. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and push up. Wait, that can't be it. Oh yeah, I don't push up my answers. Okay, I'll say, actually I want to try one thing first. NRD. Let me just make sure that I can still hit this app browser. I should get, yeah, see, that's not. So now, I think there was something off about that package.json update that I made. So I just got this error in the browser. Tried to hit this page, this home page. It could be that I broke the layout.tsx file, but it's saying the error occurred in NextJS. So I want to go back into that package.json. I want to scrap that change, see if that fixes it. If it does, then actually we'll need to rebuild though. Let's see if that fixes it. Nah, that's still broken. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. Gosh darn it, I know what it is. It's not gonna be this. So this probably was fine to stay actually. I'm gonna put that back. Where is it? I'm actually gonna put that back for now. All right, I'm gonna put that back, and then the problem that they're complaining about is inside of this guy, not here, but here, I added a JS reference here, and I don't think that's allowed. Could be wrong. Okay. Totally working before, so. Alright, start making all kinds of changes. Prior of ES module, post CSS from line config not supported is treated as an ES module file. JS file who's near type module. Which, okay, so now type module is causing problems. So those are, I think those are both problematic, right? I think that's the bottom line. Both of those are problematic. So I'm gonna get rid of type module. Let's see if that cleans up the error on the front end. So let's go ahead and another NRD, the browser again, and hopefully this time we actually get a page. Yes. All right, this time we get a page, right? Not an error. So that's fine. So we'll have to do some explainers on stream. So that's fine. Now we should be able to go ahead and push these changes out. We actually do need to push this up now, right? Because we broke that. So, wait, am I browser still? I had to push this ES6 change as well, right? Because we broke that. Well, actually, no, not that change, this change. Broke this change by adding that JS reference. So we removed that now. But I do want to combine this ES6 MD with our actual I want to put these challenges inside of this README here. This is the main README that shows up for this lesson. So I think it just makes sense to have these here. We do V, start with the NextJS link, and then there's the getting started. It kind of gives you a very loose explanation as to how to whoa, I didn't mean that. Very loose explanation as to how to test those functions. And then here's the lesson challenges. And again, we'll do these on stream, and I'll also record video of each of them getting completed, little short videos. Yeah, that should be fine. And then we can also get rid of this now, right? Because there's no reason to have that README when it's already available in the main README of the repository. I'm actually going to scrap those changes. Get these changes. Go to the app. Get committed. NGL. And read. Then push that out. What is next? Oh, we can. That is done. Now we need to do the PowerPoint, which I can't do that on stream. I can, but I don't want you guys to see it. So I can do the. I can start doing the lessons. Yeah, but I need to do these offline. So technically the branch that I have here is gonna suffice for both week 1 and week 2. So there's a bunch of examples, and then I'll give them a bunch of challenges for week 2. So I should have kept going with that. And that's what I'm going to do. I am going to keep going with that. That actually makes sense. So what I'm gonna do, oh my god. I can't do this on stream though. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to do this offline because I can't share none of the stuff I'm about to do on stream. All right, well, short stream today, but hopefully y'all found some of this entertaining, and hopefully I got some suspense up